Monday, January 23rd, 2017, Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So I haven't gone away from YouTube. I was just away on a week vacation. Went to Switzerland to see my family, like my close family. And yeah, so I didn't really have that much time to make videos. I think I made one video there, but then I was quite busy. So I got back yesterday on Sunday, and I'm starting to make videos again. So this morning I'm going to talk about what I'm seeing in the markets. So earlier on today, gold was doing well. By the way, it's about 1 p.m. London time, so about 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gold earlier this morning when I got up was trading almost around 12.20. We were trading around 12.18. The high was 12.1978. Right now, as the U.S. is coming in, naturally, a lot of times, as you all know, gold comes off. We're now at 12.50 roughly, up about $3. Silver got up to 17.27. It's now at 17.10, up just 3 cents. So the Dow is down today, 27 at 19,793. We got down to 19,758. What else? The currencies. Well, the dollar's been weaker today. The dollar index dropped to 100.21. And that area just above 100 there, 100.3, is a key support because that was the high. It was like a double top last year. It reached that level in the beginning of the year, and it reached that level at the end of, well, I think it was, sorry, in 2015. That was a double top in the beginning of 2015, and then towards the end of 2015, beginning of 2016. So if the dollar index drops below basically 100, that doesn't bode well for the dollar. In terms of other currency, the currencies on their own, the pound is up 0.5%. The euro is basically unchanged now. It was a little stronger earlier, and the dollar is quite weak against the yen. The dollar yen is down almost 1% at 113.60. So that's what's going on with the general markets. The bond markets, the 10-year yield, for example, is at 2.46. I've noticed we got down into the 2.30s last week, and now is testing that 2.5% level. Still, I think 264 yield is a key resistance level in terms of yield and support in terms of the bond prices. Bitcoin, looking here where it was a week ago, around 825, we're now at 922. So Bitcoin has recovered well. I think there's still work for Bitcoin to do, consolidating between maybe 800 and a bit above 1,000. What else? In terms of geopolitics, of course there was the inauguration on Friday, the 20th, and then we've seen all these protests. I don't know what to think about these protests, but in terms of the markets, I think Trump had a bit of a honeymoon with the markets even before he took over, from November to end of the year last year. And now we're seeing, kind of buy the rumor, sell the fact. We're seeing the stock market not gaining any traction, unable to reach that 20,000 level, and now creeping lower. We're seeing the dollar come, from around 104 and now testing 100. So all the trends we saw from the election to the end of last year seem to be turning. Gold and silver starting to do well. I know it's not a straight line, but in a way that's a good thing to have, pauses and then, the market keeps going up. It's like a stair step. What else? In terms of, yeah, the protests, as I said, I think I've read that there's a lot of, George Soros is involved. He's financing a lot of the groups. And I think it's not going to, personally, I don't think it will amount to much. The American people have given Trump a mandate. We need to, of course, see if he's going to hold true to his words. He's got a lot of insiders, at the Treasury and other places. But sometimes you need insiders to deal with insiders. So we need to give him time to see what his actions, amount to. And yeah, that's about it for now. Markets look fairly steady. Dollar weak. Stock market's not getting any traction. And precious metals, we'll have to see, when the COMEX opens in about 10 minutes. And then the stock market opens officially in the U.S. We'll have to see if precious metals continue to do well. But it definitely feels like, they are doing well. And we had that bottom in December after the Fed hike. So I'm just looking here at some headlines on Zero Hedge. And it says, there's a story that says JP Morgan, and I quote, says it remains a mystery why so many continue to anticipate a change in Trump's behavior. What else? China's Carl Icahn, hedge fund billionaire, sentenced to 5.5 years in prison. It looks like the Turkish lira is under pressure. It says Erdogan seeks power to stay in office until 2029. Expect perpetual state of emergency. And it says here as well, trader warns, and I quote, Trump's first week could keep markets busy. So that's it for now. I will try to catch up, maybe do a few more videos than usual, as I was away last week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it far and wide. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.